Alright guys, so we got down to the issue. This is the root that was causing the issue here. So you can see the roots growing into the pipe. Look at the hub. The pipe just falling apart. And you can see all the roots growing in the bottom in here. That's your problem there. Alright guys, we got the line draining. But you can see this is where the problematic area is here. All the roots are growing here. We're able to open the line. The line's really fragile and cracked. You gotta be very careful with this pipe. So the line's draining now. We're gonna get rid of the roots. We're gonna camera the rest of the line going to the street. And we'll see the condition of it right now. We're about to perform the liner right now, and what it's going to do is going to rehabilitate all the cracks, the offsets, and all the roots that are growing into that pipe, so that way you never have to worry about any roots or any breaks in that clay pipe ever again. It's just one of those things. You do it once, you do it right, never got to worry about it again. It's about to blow into the 4-inch clay pipe right now, and what it's going to do is we're blowing air into this existing clay pipe to rehabilitate it. There it goes. It's going to shoot out all the way to the city saddle to seal all the cracks, offsets, and breaks in this pipe, so no roots ever grow back in here again. So there you go, the liner's going through. It's about to pop. Once it pops, the liner's, there you go, it's all the way through. So now we're going to go ahead and cut that up. Camera the line, make sure the liner went all the way up to where we want it to be in the saddle. Before the saddle, actually. We insert the balloon. It seals for 2 to 3 hours. Cure it. We have ourselves a brand new rehabilitated sewer line, guys. Saves you from digging, exposing the street, and all that crazy stuff. Alright guys, we're about to insert the balloon into the liner right now. 10 psi of air pressure in order to rehabilitate a perfect 4-inch diameter of the pipe. There you go, that's all the way in, guys. It has a seamless pipe all the way through. So there's no more seams, connections, nothing. So it's a seamless pipe all the way. See how smooth that is? I'm Marco with Clean Out Plumbing. This here is what the customer was experiencing. Major roots in the pipe. They've had previous plumbers for the past years come out cable after cable. They looked us up on Yelp, actually, found us. We ran the cable, we got the line cleared for them, $49. We were able to offer them a free camera inspection to see exactly what the blockage was. We found roots in every single joint, compaction, all the way out to the street. Don't wait too long. Give us a call. If you have a slow drain, a clogged drain, $49 any drain. It includes a camera inspection, so that way you don't have to deal with things like this. If you wait too long, it's gonna keep clogging and cracking more and more, and it's gonna be expensive in the long run. Don't wait too long. Call Clean Out Plumbing. Ask for Marco, 562-328-9448. Catch you guys in the next one.